We also have with us the Dean 𝗍𝗏𝗏𝗏 of the College of Arts and Sciences, Dr. Fausto C. Romero. We also have with us the passionate and empowering Dean of College of Business and Management. We have Dr. Ryan D. Bastareche. A round of applause. And of course, we are joined by the hardworking chair of today's event and the Dean of the College of Accountancy and Finance, Ms. Lawrence Astor B. Peleliera. Okay, and of course, to all faculty members, staff, and of course, most importantly, to all our awardees, this day is yours, and we are proud to celebrate it with you. To officially begin our program, let us offer this moment in reverence and gratitude. Ladies and gentlemen, please all rise for the doxology to be led by the talented members of the NCF Center for Culture and Arts. Afterwards, please remain standing for the singing of the national anthem.
dagat na aking tinatawid, tanging pangalan mo ang siyang laging sinasambit. Hanap-hanap ang pangako ng iyong lambing, inaasam na tuwin ay nasa iyong piling. Sa araw-araw na paglusong ko sa buhay, ikaw lang ang saksit nag-iisang pantay. Dayuhin man ako ng lungkot at hirap, tanggulan kong lagi, lingap mo't yakap. Salamat Maria sa iyong pagpisan, sa bawat hapis, luwalhati at tuwa namin. Salamat sa pag-ibig at sa bawat dalangin. Salamat sa iyo, sa mga pagdamay mo. Kami patuloy na magmamahal sa iyo. Sa araw-araw na paglusong ko sa buhay, ikaw lang ang saksit nag-iisang bantay. Dayuhin man ako ng lungkot at hirap, tanggulan kong lagi, lingap mo't yakap. Salamat Maria sa iyong pagpisan, sa bawat hapis, luwalhati at tuwa namin. Salamat sa pag-ibig at sa bawat dalangin. Salamat sa iyo, sa mga pagdamay mo. Kami patuloy na
remain standing for the singing of the national anthem and the NCF hymn.
Mic test.
Silanganan, alap ng puso, sa tinig mo'y buhay. Lupang minirang, tuyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bakaw. May dilatang tula at awit sa pagkayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat ko'y kabuhay ka nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw ng kailan ay di magdidinig. Luha ng araw ng ating pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya ng may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Here we rally with loving praise, our voices sing. Let us rejoice with souls so free. We'll bring you to glory supreme. With meekful hearts we now adore, and to you we offer our thoughts of love.
Thank you. You may now take your seats. To officially open our ceremony, let's welcome a remarkable woman whose passion for education fuels excellence across NCF. Let's give a big warm of applause to our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez.
Morning. I will just stand here because if I stay here, you will not be able to see me because of my height. So my role is to welcome all of you to this celebration of recognition of our academic awardees, the President's Listers, as well as the Dean's Listers. For this morning, we have the Dean's Listers of the College of Business and Management, as well as the College of Teacher Education. First of all, allow me to congratulate all of you for this accomplishment of yours. Those awards will be the awardees for the first SEM and the second SEM. Am I right? All right. And congratulations also to the faculty, the deans, and all of those who organized this activity. Now, apart from the welcoming, I would also like to share a few words about the importance of this awarding ceremony. It's not only the academics, the general weighted average that we have earned, that qualified us to be given these awards. What is greater that apart from this academic achievement is the thought that we have the responsibility. The greater responsibility of making a greater impact to the community, to society, because of our achievements. And there are small little things where we can make an impact of. For example, the coming to this occasion promptly. If we say 8 a.m., then before 8 a.m., everybody should already be here, right? So that's one value that an academic excellence awardee should have. Another, in the singing of the Philippine national anthem, I have observed that not everybody is singing it passionately. It's one way of showing our patriotism to our country. We are very fortunate that we are in a free country, the Philippines. We are not in other countries where there is war every day. So why should not we be proud by singing the Philippine national anthem? So I guess you should start practicing that now, especially those who are still in their freshman year, because there will still be many years of your academic journey in Naga College. Another is the singing of the NCF hymn. I have also observed that it's only the choir and the deans who are singing. You know, I have memorized 3 school hymns. The first hymn that I still, up to now, I can sing is the hymn of the school where I took my elementary up to high school years. And then the second hymn is the school hymn of the school where I earned my college degree. And of course, the third hymn is the NCF hymn. During my first week of employment at NCF, I really endeavored to memorize it, singing it every day, and then even with a código, while there are activities, I try to look at it and then memorize it from the heart. And so now I can sing it. And I know the meaning of the song. Now, another manifestation of your being excellent in terms of academics is what? Responsibility, as I have mentioned a while ago. Responsibility to give a greater impact to society, not only in the subjects, but also in all of the activities of NCF, and in manifesting the core values that we are teaching you of quality, excellence, service, and truth. And of course, the attributes that you want to see in you when you graduate. That is my assignment. What are those attributes that we want to see in you? We have the 4 C's. So you are really deserving of an award if you know what these 4 C's are. And then you will already start practicing those values. Who knows, next year, it's not only academic awards that we will be giving. It will also be exemplars in core values, as well as in attributes that we want to see among our students. So with that, once again, I would like to welcome you all, and let us move forward with a greater sense of responsibility and stewardship of the talents that God has given to all of us. Thank you and good morning to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am, for that empowering message. Your words have truly ignited the spirit of excellence that defines today's celebration. But before we proceed, may I invite the key academic leaders to please join us on stage. Pwede na po kayo dito maupo po. We have our guest speaker, Ms. Iris I. Oresca, our Executive Vice President, Dr. 𝗍𝗂𝗂𝗍𝗂, our chairman of today's event, Ms. Lawrence 𝗂𝗏𝗍𝗍, Dean of College of Teacher Education, Dr. 𝗚𝗺𝗲𝗏, and of course, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, the Dean of College of Arts and Sciences, Dr. Fausto C. Romero, and the Dean of College of Business Management, Dr. Ryan D. Bastereche. And now, on behalf of our beloved President, we would like also to acknowledge the presence of the Dean of College of Engineering, Dr. Moncito G. Ilarde. You please come. Pwede ka pong pumunta dito, Dean. Dr. Moncito G. Ilarde. Okay. On behalf of our beloved President, let's be inspired by the message of our Executive Vice President. Please welcome and let's give a warm round of applause to Dr. Ida P. Osea.
To our guest speaker this morning, who is supposed to be an outstanding alumna of our Naga College Foundation, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Maniquez, the chair of these awarding ceremonies, we have Dean Lawrence 𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏, the Dean of the College of Business and Management, Dr. Ryan Bastereche, the Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences, Dr. Fausto Romero, the Dean of the College of Teacher Education, Dr. 𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, the Dean of the College of Engineering, Dr. Mons Ilarde. Give me a round of applause. I still remember their name. At age 77, who was recently orphaned. An orphan at age 77. That's me. And a follow-up on what Dr. Maniquez was saying, responsibility is a key to the success and the sustainability of the success that you are achieving. Responsibility. It's my responsibility to stand in for the President when he is not available. So at 9 o'clock this morning, I was informed that I should be here, and so I'm here. So that's a value, that's a virtue that you should have. Our dear PL and DL awardees for school year 2023-2024. Let me start by sharing with you the recent message to me by my confessor. Yes, I have a confessor. He says, a life of gratitude is a life of peace. Do you agree? Yes, and I agree. A life of gratitude is a life of peace. Especially for you who are blessed to be our awardees this PLDL awarding ceremonies, especially you who are looked up to as leaders of your respective colleges. Your gratitude will assure you, will sustain whatever excellence you are trying to achieve. Gratitude, firstly, to your family. Gratitude, secondly, to your relatives, to your friends, those who have supported you all this time. And gratitude to the Naga College Foundation, which has done its very best to provide you the best in education, in character formation, and in your quest for excellent service and truth, especially in your careers, the careers that you will be pursuing. And above all, gratitude to our Creator who makes everything possible for us even in our lowest times. Today, or this morning, we celebrate not just you as an individual, but we celebrate a journey of dedication and passion. I presume that it has always been a journey of dedication and passion for each and every one of you. Your hard work and commitment have earned you this well-deserved recognition. This is a testament to your unwavering pursuit of excellence, and it's a privilege to witness your success. May this recognition inspire you to continue reaching new heights, and may you always find the drive to make a difference. And believe it or not, we also would wish to thank you, all of us, at the Naga College Foundation Administration and Faculty. We wish you to thank you for also inspiring us. For your achievement is our achievement. Your accomplishment is accomplishment of the Naga College Foundation. So long live our PLDL awardees.
Thank you so much, our beloved Executive Vice President, Dr. 𝗂𝗍. Thank you for reminding us that academic success is not just celebrated, but it is nurtured through vision, dedication, and leadership. But before that, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our beloved President, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva. Ay, wala pa ba? Okay, sorry, wala pa pala. Okay. Up next, to light the path of our future leaders, we are privileged to be joined by someone who exemplifies leadership, integrity, and the spirit of excellence. She is an accomplished NCF alumna and 2024 NCF Presidential Awardee. Please welcome with pride, Ms. Iris I. Oresca.
Good morning, everybody. Can I get a good morning from everyone? There you go. Thank you so much. So first of all, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the members of the faculty, our teaching staff, as well as the External Vice President for External Linkages, Dr. 𝗂𝗍, the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth Maniquez, the Dean of the College of Business and Management, the Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences, the Dean of the College of Teacher Education, and the Dean of the College of Engineering. Good morning, everybody. And of course, to the faces we have today, to our students and our dear awardees, maray na aga po sa Indogabos. Everybody, you know what is true? Stand here and share this moment with all of you. A moment of pride, recollection, and a moment of accomplishment. So to every student who have reached this incredible milestone, I would just like to say congratulations. But before all of that, I want to remind you that today might be the recognition of your awards, but today is not just all about your grades and your accolades. It is about you balancing your classes, your work, your personal relationships, and your personal goals. And you navigated challenges. Some were unexpected and some were unmanageable, but you got through it. You rise above it all, and that is something worth celebrating today. Sabi nga nila, malayo pa, pero malayo na at kakayanin pa. So give yourself a little pat on the back or a silent applaud for yourself for making it through this moment. You know what? Let me share to you a little secret I kept to myself. Before, I've always dreamt of speaking into engagement, into special events like this. I have always imagined to be a top 1 student, share my sentiments, a top 1 valedictorian on graduations, recognitions, but guess what? I never had the chance to do it. Not because I am not that smart or not to discredit myself, but maybe I said to myself, maybe I didn't have what it takes to be that kind of academic achiever that I wanted to be. But little did I know, and guess what? Later on, I had a chance to speak on bigger stages with a bigger audience looking up on me. Me being able to talk about certain causes I have in heart, I was able to, little by little, transform lives of other people through inspiring them of my own personal stories, transforming their life and transcending hope to other people. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, I want to keep this message to all of you, to give you that hope that we shine on our own little way. I may not be that top 1 student that I wanted to be, but still, I got the chance to live the dream that I have in my heart. So that is the hope that I want to transcend to all of you. That we have our own potential and we could shine on whatever path we choose to be here in today. And that is what I want you to remember from this day forward. Looking back, I wasn't a straight A student. I have a fair share of mistakes, of lates, absenteeism. I was balancing work and school. Well, maybe I could relate for some of you because back when I was in college, I was also a working student. And little did you know, I also fended for myself. Lucky and grateful that I have been a scholar in this institution, that I have been able to graduate in college. So, I was not a perfect student, but one thing about me is that I am a trying student. And I couldn't be more proud to see a lot of faces today, a lot of trying faces as well, a lot of faces who have dreams and who will fight for their dreams, for themselves, and for the people they love. So let's give a round of applause for ourselves for that, right? Diba? I know we have our dreams. And please do know na kung ano man yung pangarap mo, matutupad yon. Just like what I've said, we have dreams, and those dreams could come true in all places that we've never thought it would be. So just keep on dreaming and just keep on believing. But above all else, today may be about you, but also let's take a moment to give credit to the support system we've got so that we could be able to go through this moment, so that we could be able to be present in this moment. And that could be our professors, our mentors, the special people in our lives, our family, this in the face of strangers that become special people, and our friends. Pasalamatan din po natin sila kung andito sila. Dahil if not for those people na tumutulong sa atin, we could not be this strong enough, we could not be this smart enough to be able to live up to this moment. So to you, ladies and gentlemen, we may not have that a great of an age gap for me to be able to deliver something that would really move you or inspire you. But today, I want to give this message to all of you na whatever dream you have or whoever you wanted to become in the future, I hope that dreams, it helps, it inspires, and it also sparks others' dreams as well. Sana po wag natin kakalimutan yung mga bakit natin sa buhay. Why we continue, why we keep on pushing forward, at bakit natin to ginagawa. Because I know for sure that all of these faces that I am seeing here, I know for sure that I will see you in bigger stages as well. Might as well better than I am, might as well better than where I am right now. So, to all of you, I hope that you keep on be brave, because life doesn't get easier. We all know that. But above all, I want you to be kind and gentle to yourself, because above all else, when all else fails, you only got yourself, and you need to be strong for yourself so that you could uplift the people around you, and you could uplift yourself as well. Once again, to our awardees for this morning, I am really proud of you, and if no one says that to you, be proud of yourself too for being here today. And I hope makita ko pa kayo sa next awarding, or if not, that's okay, because I didn't see myself as well in awardings like this, but I'm still here. So I hope that my message today inspires and sparks just a little bit of hope and dream in you. Once again, congratulations and good morning.
Thank you, Ma'am Aris, for that wonderful message. That was truly lifting and empowering, and we are sure that your message will fuel our students' passion to keep striving for excellence. At this juncture, we would like to award a certificate and a token of appreciation to our guest speaker, Ms. Iris I. Oresca. I would like to invite the key academic leaders to join us to assist in the awarding of the certificate and token. May I read a citation? Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to Ms. Iris I. Oresca as a guest speaker during the President's and Dean's List awarding ceremony of the Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Her inspiring words, insightful perspectives, and dedication to excellence have greatly enriched the event and left a lasting impact on all the awardees. Given the 16th day of May 2025 at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Naga City, signed Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, Vice President for Academic Affairs, and Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, our President. Let's give a big round of applause to our guest speaker. Thank you once again to our guest speaker, Ms. Iris I. Oresca, for making this event meaningful and memorable. And now, let's now come to the heartbeat of today's ceremony, the moment you all been waiting for, the awarding of President's and Dean's List. As its name is called, remember this is not just about medals or certificates. This is about courage, late nights, early mornings, and the spirit of never giving up. We would like to invite our key academic leaders to join us to assist in the awarding of the certificates. We have our Executive Vice President, Dr. Ida Osea, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, and our Registrar, Ms. Rhea V. Agregado. Let's now start the awarding proper from the College of Business Management. Leading this awarding is the respected and dedicated Dean, Dr. Ryan D. Basreche. We would like to remind students, especially awardees, mauuna po ang President's Lister. Please, in alphabetical order, and please stand at the right side of the stage. Okay. Let's now hear the roster of achievers from the College of Business Management to be read by Ms. Rubelin Baral and Mr. Nico Ricafrente. A round of applause, please.
And these are the awardees from College of Business and Management. President's Listers. Casimiro Queen Carish O. Claro Deza May B. Colobong Laika Rose R. Estipona Mary Louise O. And for the Dean's Lister from College of Business and Management, Abad Noeline May P. Abad Shane Beniz T. Abay Kim Angeli G. Aban Jennifer M. Abayon AJ Carl C. Abelinde Abel C. Aben Alvin J. C. Abion Lizelle Q. Ablaneda Ralph Lawrence O. Ablaneda Ryan Christian L. Ablanida Queenie P. Abraham Joanne S. Acosta Emmanuel. Adan Margaret P. Adolfo Renz Adrian A. Agagad Vanessa B. Agato Erica May B. Agna Catherine Shane T. Agna Jocelyn A. Agsamosam Aradel M. Agtuka Josie G. Aguila Eliza Joy R. Agulto Laika C. Alano Junior Arwin M. Alano Julian T. Alano Kayla Shane N. Alarte Darwin B. Alayan Nova N. Alba Shailu M. Abarilio Jerry May. Alcantara Lover Jane M. Alcanzo Rochelle B. Alianza Chanel S. Alipante Jamila O. Almira Lovely M. Alvaro Cyril A. Amaro Jessa C. Anastasio Rosette B. Andales Dominic P. Andaya Mark Daryl J. B. Andrada Welsian T. Anselmo J.P. A. Antonio Rhea G. Anselmo Mark Donald P. Apolinar J.Ann T. Arbuis Hazel Clyde C. Arcoyo Madeline I. Ardales Arjun C. Aribalo John Ray G. Arroyo Anjanette A. Artiaga Samuel S. Asay Catherine Grace G. Asibor Jean Princess S. Asiko Dohana Joy De Vera. Asiko Valerie R. Asido Aliana. Asido Kathleen May. Asignado Clarissa R. Asis Mark Anthony M. Aure Angel Ann D. Aven Abril Bethany B. Alvis Aubrey Catherine M. Azania Jerome S. Azur Alexa Joy R. Baaw Carla May B. Badilla Sara May A. Bagasina Kristen Miles J. Balakyaw Jane Amber P. Balbin Nicole B. Balilo Angelica May O. Balad Maria Teresa B. Ballester Nika Marie B. Ballesteros Jan Aris N. Balona Miguelil May P. Banyadera Hannah Nicole B. Banyas Brian Benedict P. Banyas Kathleen A. Bandola Jeffrey D. Barachina Bernice Ethan P. Baraga Dayan Altea S. Barrias Axel A. Barola Rona May L. Bartolome Niño C. O. Bacelonia Merit P. Basinyo Christine A. Batak Beverly G. Bawa Gloria S. Bayos Hemina Margaret S. Benitez Gwyneth B. Benito Samantha Kate B. Benosa Ella Jane B. Berba Jo Marie M. Besa Alyssa Gwyneth B. Bibe Sheila Marie A. Biko Maria Wella C. Bien Araliza S. Bien Cristina Paula P. Bigkas Lalaine L. Bimeda Magdalene O. Binyas Bea L. Binondo Kate B. Boado Romeo O. Bolocon Allen Chris T. Bombales Zaira B. Boncales Michelle V. Bondesit Sam Jehil B. Bonifacio Nicole C. Borbe Micah Joy R. Borbe Spencer Joshua E. Bordios Danica L. Borilia Glyza Gels T. Borito Elizabeth R. Borja Marian Chris J. Borja Nico Paulo B. Botin John Andrew A. Botor Khalil Christine F. Briones Abigail A. Brita Jillian May O. Buban Joanne V. Buenafe Larry Ann Z. Buensalida Angelica R. Buensalida Anime L. Buen Viaje Erica May C. Buen Viaje Gian Angelo C. Buen Viaje Krisha May M. Bueta Marian S. Bumagat Ramil N. Bukia Jean Zyrel M. Busmente Lavinia Marie B. Bustamante Annabel Q. Bustamante Simon A. Bustamante Lalin N. Cabase Jasmine B. Cabrera Eliza A. Cabrera Howard A. Kadage Janare M. Cadiz Ira B. Cadiz Carmela Faye O. Calalas Jowery D. Camacho John Lester M. Kamingay Irish Diana V. Campita Shannon Francia A. Camposano Margot B. Candano Christy G. Cañeso Justin S. Cañezo Edric A. Danita Althea S. Kanya Benedict O. Kano Joy S. Karaan Hanilyn May de los Santos. Cariaga Alyssa Ashley O. Cariaga Claudine. Carillia Leia Jean C. Carillo Angel May D. Carillo Tricia May. Carullo Mark Franklin P. Casero Crystal May A. Kasidsid Andre James O. Castillar Sarah May P. Katibayan Eliza Marie Q. Kawis Elaine de Asis. Cedilia Anne B. Cedron Carla J. D. Celestial Francine Gale B. Celestre Angeline B. Cerilio Colleen Hart M. Chavez Reynan N. Chia Lawrence P. Chica Mary Aligre A. Silo Jack Lord G. Claudio Semin O. Cobalias Maria Gabriel de Queros. Kobe Roxanne de los Santos. Colinares Mary Louise. Constantino Jr. Pelayo B. Copo Catlea D. Carbito Alyssa P. Coronel Elimark M. Cortez John Lester L. Cortez Marian Joy P. Cruz Sherin G. Cuadro Shaina Darren P. Dashan Adrian G. Dashan Rhea Marie. Douglas Francis A. Dakuyan Lorevi M. Dapunan Lovely Joy P. Dayap Angelica L. Dairit Princess Lorraine R. De Guzman and Kathleen F. De Hita Sean A. De Jesus Jenji May M. De Jesus Mary Jeril B. De la Cruz Ira May C. De la Cruz Debbie Ann D. De Jesus Janji May M. De La Cruz Rachel Ann P. De Vera Crisil N. Dicilio Rachel Ann D. Del Rosario Nika May T. De La Cruz Hazel O. De La Cruz Janeline C. De La Cruz Kate Justin S. De La Cruz Micaela A. De La Peña Arthur R. De La Rosa Jamil France E. De La Soledad Princess Samantha I. Delfino Veronica A. De Jesus Genji May. De Ligiro Andre Christian G. De Lima Albert L. De Liva Joey. De Los Santos Chris R. De Los Santos Emay L. De Los Santos Rochelle M. De Luna Marie Tony D. De Quito Ray M. De Sembrada Jamie Christian S. Diaz Jasmine R. Dionson Daniela B. Disu Nicole R. Doblon Anaiza May B. Doblon Sandara D. Dolores Mike D. Dominguez Mary Joyce P. Doro Ricardo San Buenaventura. Doroteo Kisha F. Dumlao Dessa May M. Eborda Danica Carla P. Eduardo Jean Rose R. Encarnado Clarence D. Encinas Danica May S. Encinas Hazel L. Encinas Reynalden V. Enciso Eliza Gwen San Joaquin. Enciso Crisette C. Enciso Francine L. Endaya Altea Jehu F. Esber Harry Troy M. Estadilla Mia Vian Kayla L. Estefany Madeline F. Estefany Rhea May C. Estella Janine Beatriz C. Etule Dasen Kyle R. Eugenio Joseph Nathaniel A. Yuste Rachel D. Fabricante Angel O. Falabi Angeline R. Falyore Mark Justin A. Ferrer Angela May S. Fidelson Mary Camille E. Flores Joanna May J. Folstan Drizaline B. Francisco Daniela L. Francisco Jesame D. Frondoso Joram O. Frongoso Princess Joy S. Gasel Danica May D. Gambal Lizelle B. Gantong Kristen May B. Garay Desalin May G. Garbiles Nicole A. Gachetorena Adrian. Gachetorena Barbie Esaril. Cariga Pio J. Jr. Generosa Gwyneth Raven C. Genova Lady Laika S. Gianan Chezi Clean Q. Glodo Francis Albert N. Gonzaga Thessaly B. Gonzalez Lawrence I. Gozo Florence Nicole A. Hebrio Reza P. Hernandez Jovi A. Hilado Zarina Marie G. Hufancia Maria Patricia N. Ibanez Kenneth C. Ebareta Grace B. Ebo Rhoda Marie A. Ibon Kimberly F. Ibra Nazed B. Ignacio Carla Marie M. Imperial Ivanagin A. Imperial Kimberly S. Xavier Janelle S. Julia Sofia May F. Locroya Maria Crystal M. Lacson Florence Faith C. Lafita Mark. Langitan Sharina Maris N. Lanuza Marlon M. Largado Monet. Lereo Venus C.
Libranda May V. Lilio Morena S. Lizardo Chiqui G. Llagas John Rex M. Yaneta Robert Day. Yenas Angelica A. Lumangaya Paulo S. Lunzame Maika A. Lopez Erica M. Lopez Hannah O. Lopez Neil O. Lopez Simonette C. Loquero J. M. Loquinario Gabriel Andre C. Luzares Edric N. Lucis Chilaika V. Lumangaya Shaira de los Santos. Luntok Jasmine B. Lorsha Rowena M. Macalya Natalie Eloise S. Makasinag Sheena Marie A. Madamba John Aldrin. Madrid Jeneline de los Santos. Magat Samantha Kimberly C. Mahinay para Raya de la Torre. Malaluan Stephanie A. Malaki Winnie L. Malyari Maria Paula C. Malonda Marian R. Managbanag Sandra S. Manyago Ginizea C. Manalo Jacqueline de la Roca. Manforte Lovely May C. Marbilla Camille Grace S. Margaida Christian B. Marco Ray Francis A. Marfilia Lily Altea M. Margalio Juliana A. Mariano Chris May Carrie J. Marie Mildred S. Maroliano Miles H. Martinez Janica O. Mata Junmar C. Mataba Talia Grace P. Matos Desiree C. Mayor Desiree C. Mayugba Reynold M. Medalyada Irish L. Mejarito Desiree May. Medrano Rica May F. Medroso Carmina O. Milo Mika Angela A. Mendezabal Carl Zendrick C. Mendoza Jessica A. Milana Emmanuel. Milano Bernadette S. Mingoy Shaira Micaela P. Miralles Juvier. Miranda Jaylene Corey G. Miranyo Desiree E. Mulin and Adrian R. Mundia Julina May San Carlos. Montanya Angela O. Monte Philip M. Moreno John Mariel Samantha O. Murillo Angelo. Navwa Jolex Anselmo Sebastian M. Nale John Paul de la Soledad. Napoles Patricia Nicole O. Nate Adrian Shirley Main A. Nava Joy Ruth A. Nazir Rose Gail B. Nepomuceno Runilin P. Nicolas Eliza A. Nicolas Prince Adam Wilson B. Nicolasura Charlene L. Nerva John Benedict O. Nukumura Karen A. Noora Monica Sandra M. Novia Angelibet P. Notado Jehan May L. Obanya Felix Gabriel F. Obelidor Daniela S. Obero Kayla R. Ubinya Krisa May A. Obnalia Regine M. Okfemia Bea Nicole O. Oko Glenmark P. Olaya Sofia May O. Oligario Justin Claire A. Oliva Franzi Rose C. Olivar Jim O. Olivera Christian. Olores Faith Nicole B. Olos Joanne May P. Onan Maricar T. Onrubia Laika V. Openya Caitlin Claire. Ordove Sofia Nicole R. Orila Gian Marie T. Oscares Rachel Ann A. Osera Franco B. Osea Krisha May S. Oksena John Leo M. Padayaw Marisa M. Pado Arian A. Pado Mark Christopher F. Pahalya Jeremy P. Palero Jan R. Pana Christian B. Pandes Janine Cheska S. Panganiban Mikaela L. Paniel Riza May S. Parado J.V. Rose G. Paragas Eliza Jane I. Paraw Sia Lorraine N. Pardiñas Charlotte R. Pariño John Marwin D. Pastor Kim Cesar A. Patol Erica May V. Paulo Jaybert H. Paz Chinchin O. Peña Ronaline C. Peña Flor Flores C. Peñales Maria Geneva H. Pepito Mary Junette L. Peralta Mary Grace R. Peña Flor Mac Clarence C. Percel Merkrich C. Perdon Jean Mark S. Perez Jerome Christian B. Perol Angela May V. Pertes Army Shane M. Pessimo Francine C. Petrache Jonalyn D. Pilarca Hilary Jane. Pinto Bernadette B. Pinto Jenalyn B. Natilia Lynette C. Plehino Edith C. Pogoy Arnold S. Cornelosa Eloisa J. Prado Abigail S. Presentacion Zion P. Portia Mary Caril J. Puso Azel James S. Kerubin Angel Chris B. Quiñones Kyla B. Rambuyon Seni Jane B. Ramirez Bambi R. Ramos Hazel San Jose. Ramos Mariela P. Rania Sofia N. Rances Cristal May D. Raigon Dian Christine B. Razon Jeneline Faye C. Real Roy Vincent B. Riano Elaika Marie de la Torre. Riano Nika A. Recreo Sandy Marie S. Regalado John Gilbert O. Reidor Mary M. Relo Noren Angela V. Reidor Myra M. Remoto Rachel Ann G. Ritobio Liza May F. Revilla Justine Ann. Reyes Christine May B. Rita Julia Clarice S. Rica Franca Arabel Grace G. Rico Sheila May. Rito Kyla F. Rito Marifer C. Rivera Jelsa May A. Rivera Joanne B. Robles Roxanne M. Rodriguez Ana Marie T. Rodriguez Giancarlo C. Rodriguez Marianica P. Rodriguez Mariel E. Romanillos Janelle B. Romero Maria Lourdes B. Ross Shaina Wendy K. G. Rosales Angelica D. Rosantina Care Angeline H. Rosento Maris F. Rosero Angeline A. Rosel Maria Elena N. Roson Jamela L. Roson Jesta L. Rubia Princess S. Luis Mary Joy B. Sabalan John Russell B. Sabater Liza R. Sabio Mark Ezekiel D. Sabordo Kailin Yvonne B. Sahonya Kyle J. Regalado John Gilbert O. Salcedo Maria Veronica R. Salem Eliza Jade S. Sales Justin Jane O. Salva Janet P. Salva Pauline S. Samaniego Maria Princess A. Sambaon Chrissy T. Samboy NSA. Samilo Rona B. Samson Daniela L. Sumalden Nicole France M. San Agustin Hercel J. San Antonio Chester Jane T. San Buenaventura Mariel M. San Carlos Jean D. Q. San Esteban Romel J. B. San Jose Angelina A. San Jose Joanna I. San Juan Dion May S. San Lorenzo Erlene M. San Lorenzo Mark Joshua C. San Martin Jinky P. Sanchez Eloisa Marie B. San Deo Rose May N. Sanglay Ashley Nicole P. Santiago Catherine D. Santiago Luinel B. Sapatin Reynold C. Sape Alexis P. Sapusaw Jim Paulo D. Sarimo Charlene R. Sal Rachel M. Sauko Kimberly Nicole L. Sayat John Rexan T. Sebelio Hussein Ira B. Cedilia Jara Pearl C. Serrano Christine Grace. Cervellon Lee A. Sibolo Danica B. Sis Syra C. Solana Irish Allison A. Sullivan Jim Lloyd V. Soltes Mariel Jana B. Sombrero Junji V. Sotelo Angelica R. Santa Rosa Mariana del Castillo. Santo Domingo Barbie B. Suarez Joyce Ann B. Soayan Hanilet C. Sumalinog Clara R. Sortida Marife F. Sosmeña Chloe. C. Micaela Hart P. Talar Jonalyn B. Tanaw-Tanaw Shinamay Claire C. Tanay Vince Edric M. Taneo Micaela C. Tanyon Hazel Ann C. Tataro Meryl Ann A. Tena Jessica V. Tervio Chesame N. Tesorero Marvin O. Tiglao Justin C. Hongi Kim Harvin D. Tongi Mary France B. Torregrosa Adrian R. Toso Rachel Lynn R. Tropsy Bimbo Angelo Z. Tres Valles Queen Laika E. Tria Rian Angela S. Todd Tiffany D. Ulia Maria Jana Rafael. Umali Angie Helen E. Unico Neil Kenneth I. Valenzuela Gio Carlo M. Vargas Eugene B. Vargas Pauline Joy M. Vargas Sheila May Pauline P. Velez Eleanor M. Venancio Nikki S. Verano Francia R. Verano Caroline C. Verdadero Katrina J. Verdeo Aldrich Simon C. Vidanes Kate Kimberly L. Villagracia Nicole R. Villamor Alexandra Lay M. Villamor Altea Lay M. Villamor Graciela May P. Villano Jenny T. Villar Ann Patrice B. Villegas Glyza. Villegas Rose May B. Villones John Carl N. Viola Francine Joy M. Vivero Sheila May E. Volante Jerrin Jane. Zenarosa Carl Andrew L. And Jean Justin L.
Okay, let's give a big round of applause to all awardees of the College of Business Management. Congratulations once again. And now let's pause for a while and be entertained by a delightful performance from one of our very own student. We have, please welcome, Ms. Hart C. and Ms. Jane Paragas. And now let's give the spotlight to the College of Teacher Education. Leading this awarding is their highly respected Dean and dynamic Dr. 𝗂𝗏𝗏. We now invite our key academic leaders to please join us in assisting the certificates. Our Executive Vice President, Dr. 𝗂𝗏𝗏. Our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez. Our Registrar, Ms. Rhea V. Agregado. And the Dean, Dr. 𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏. Let's hear the rooster of achievers from the College of Teacher Education, to be read by Mr. Marvin Rosary and Ms. Jamaica Tingua. A round of applause, please.
College of Teacher Education awardees, President's Listers, Abadesa John Carlo B. Abdon Mark Alan G. Alegre Jisan Cristel C. Asuro John Lee C. Botin Kyla Grace R. Bugasan Marie Chris B. Buwing Angela C. Cabaltera Chriselle B. Siron Anne Lorraine B. Glasio Sherry Ann A. Glasio Hamad. Claveria Samantha Olair A. Kumawas Irene P. De La Rosa Renz Drazel B. De La Cruz John Robert A. De Los Santos Leslie A. Esquejo Beatriz Marie O. Estingor Jasmine E. Fuentes Divine M. Garcia Pearl Joyce T. Isidro Cecil R. Israel Joan O. Losa Josrel R. Lusterio John Paul R. Marina Arwin Nikos V. Miranda Grisha May C. Montas Romeo Jr. T. Napili Rose Ann C. Nolian K.F. Nopia Katrina E. Novello Meryl R. Oko Mary Joy P. Oliva Marian V. Pado Joy D. Palmones Kiel M. Pancho Rica Joy P. Paron Summer M. Parumog Joy Brittany D. Pyra Samantha Krisha L. Rivero Sherilyn F. Roliano Christine B. Sales Mecherson M. San Juan Eloisa A. San Pablo Joan V. Santiago Reb Julian L. Sarion Maxine Ray B. Santa Rosa Nicole D. Tal Shinley May B. Vargas Andrea S. Visaya Joey M. Dean's Listers. Abad Mary Joy E. Abanilia John Loria A. Abelardo Jason O. Abelia Lindsay P. Abendaño Ann M. Aberia Ronelyn S. Abias Jody R. Abias Jonalyn D. Abias Noemi N. Abonales Sherry May B. Abordo Evelyn B. Abrazado Regine P. Abrejes April Elaine P. Abunda Janine May. Ako Earl Vincent T. Adorco Maria Paz B. Agurita Francine P.T. Alaras Shanshan. Alarma Adrian O. Alba Desiree D. Albia Leon B. Albino Lady Hill N. Albos Michelle D. Alcantara Joshua Z. Allegro Yesha May A. Alforte Elaine Francis B. Alim Juwaria D. Alessa Crisabel A. Almigeri Jennifer B. Altares John David G. Alvarez Ronaline R. Amaro Beverly Kim N. Anagaw Arabella B. Andes James Andre D. Angeles Christine C. Anotay Emerson P. Antonio Hazel Joy M. Antonio Justine Q. Apontar Angel San Carlos. Aquino Ivy Hill. Aquino Maria Grizel Angela P. Arabe Skyla Joy P. Aragon Earl Lawrence E. Araneta Jessa May L. Arawo Desiree D. Arcega Donna May M. Arcelias Sheila May D. Arco Mary Antoinette Del Rosario. Arellano Yvonne France G. Arenas Laika May P. Arenas Marian Rui S. C. Arevalo Laika May. Arlante Christine May B. Arisgado Nika B. Ascado Eliza Nicole M. Acido Alfie R. Atacador Dennis Paula D. Aven Andrea de la Cruz. Avila John Rave A. Avila Mark Lee, 𝗖𝗵𝗂𝗲𝗀 B, Azanyas Danica F, Baduya Sena Pearl A, Balana Maria Melody O, Balbastro Nino Emmanuel L, Balyaran Francis Rafael C, Balyena Jayan, Balyester Juvelin de Guzman, Balesteros J. M, Balyon Noel II B, Balondo Henrikson P, Balote Rhea Joyce P, Balutan Daniela May I, Banyadera Jersey Leah C, Banyaria Ronalyn A, Bandola Louis V, Barbecho Jovelyn S, Barcela Denise Margaret D, Barcinas Maui Jen F, Baricante Ivy D, Bariso Gary O, Barameda Angelica O, Barameda Gemma Rose A, Baricante Marjorie A, Barsaga Nicole B, Bartolo Micaela C, Basco Aisel A, Batas Angela Therese P, Beatrice Dinah Gwen B, Belen Prince Benedict D, Beleno Shanley Nicole E, Belica Jerome R, Belio Mary Cleo E, Belmes Brian Dexter D, Belmonte Apple Sheena B, Benamera Merlin Q, Benig Rafaela F, Benitez Regine Naira Phil L, clap your hands. Benito Crislin T, Bermundo Jasmine N, Bernal Patricia May I, Beronio Christine Joy S, Beruela Jane Noel B, Besin Maria Cristina R, Betonio Jasmine G, Bibal Mark Daniel B, Bobier Jabez Jewis S, Bukaya Mark Jason F, Boko Princess Grace D. Bolo Jerome A. Bolo Michelle F. Borbe Marivic F. Borlaza Glidel Jean R. Borromeo Nerica Ashley R. Brazal Claire May B. Briola Aljan P. Briones Angela M. Briones Rowena T. Buelia Aloja Kyla P. Buena Obra Angelica C. Buena Obra Maria Jessa A. Buen Salida Catherine R. Bulalakaw Faith N. Bustamante Maribel May M. Caballero Bernelyn C. Capitana Clarissa M. Cabrera Madam E. Cáceres John Win de los Santos. Cáceres Mary Joy R. Cadiz Desiree P. Cado John Christian P. Calino Carl Joshua A. Calisura Mary Joy A. Camarote Precious May F. Camasis Alyssa Jade E. Camba Maria Carla E. Cambaling Maria Angela M. Cambaling Rica Princess B. Kanyas Asia May G. Canlas Patricia R. Capua Brian R. Capus John Mark B. Carabillido Ashley Shane I. Kasim Yvette A. Kasin Maricar M. Castor Ella May C. Cavite Ramil M. Seya Bobby Merrill S. Seya Lee Chin A. Seyas Danica L. Cedilia Rose Ann S. Celeste Shimmer Nell L. Centeno Kate Justin T. Chavez Christine May Lynn S. Chavez Rhea L. Shello Elimar B. Shello Julie A. Shello Roans Ali C. Cintura Michelle C. Clavicilia Jared J. Clavicilia Marides C. 𝗗𝗵𝗂𝗗𝗂 Jean S. 𝗵𝗂𝗲𝗂 Angelia Monica. Co Ashley May. Colocar April D. Columbi Sophia Lorraine S. Cometa Skyla Kate C. Conor Rachel May B. Corbilia Mariel A. Cordero Micaela Marie J. Cornelio Nicole. Cortez Angela Claire B. Cristobal Linerose E. Cruz Carl Lester. Curioso Angela B. Dashawn Marvin A. Dakuya Princess T. Dakuyan Baby Lynn D. Danabar Kim Alexis D. Danaw Jason P. Dasalia Dayan L. Dasigan Christy Gemeros D. De Asis Julian P. Dehita Roxanne B. De Jesus Christine M. De Jesus Joe RGB. De la Cruz Jonathan C. De la Cruz Lizelle B. De la Trinidad Abigail V. De Leon Ayla Kailin M. De Los Santos Girly C. De Los Santos Roslyn M. De Hito Aljan A. Del Castillo Erica E. Del Villar Ira L. De la Cruz Bea de Guzman. De la Cruz Princess D. De la Peña Judilyn M. De la Rosa May R. De la Torre Avril Amor B. Deliva Syra May P. Del Lloro Izzy B. De los Reyes Joy Harley C. De los Santos Aline S. De los Santos Jinky C. De los Santos John Edward A. De los Santos Lenny Liza B. De los Santos Marjun R. De los Verges Jenny Rose M. De Matera Joan S. De Spree Christine C. Diamos Blessy Grace B. Jesta Josephine A. Domingo Nicole Rose G. Dubas Erica P. Elarza Noemi M. Encinas Maxine O. Enguero Jerica C. Scarlan Michelle H. Escaro Annalisa V. Espeso KCA. Espirito Altea B. Espirito Jonel A. Stephanie Abigail A. Estigoy Rihanna May D. Etang Charis C. Faurilio Julie Beth G. Fernandez Kimberly B. Fernandez Sherilyn L. Fernando Zuishin R. Ferrer Eliza Nicole A. Ferrer Mary Ren B. Filio Jude B. Flores John Rose C. Flores Karen A. Foliero Elliot Fort B. Francisco Annabel L. Francisco Jolina D. Frondoso Luis Magdalene V. Gabrilio Micaela C. Galgal Mary Joy N. Galicia Vilma Grace P. Galvan May Zyrel Del Socorro. Galvez Janeline A. Gamosa Jaisel Ann de los Santos. Garcia Ivy. Garcia Sheila May V. Garinga Micaela C. Gases Mary Jan A. Gatasillo John Rai Mel R. Herona Patricia May de la Cruz. Gianan Brianna Shane C. Globo Trixie May M. Golgota Jeremy A. Gomez Kenneth Carl V. Gonzaga Abigail. Gonzales Abigail L. Gonzales Marian Gail R. Gonzales Rica Bianca B. Granada William P. Gengia Sherry Ann L. Gruta Charles B. Ginoo Angelica Menchi de la Paz. Ginoo Erica May S. Giruela Sherin C. Giab Mark Vincent Noriel F. Ibalyar Elaine Isha C. Iglesia Leonard F. Ignao Mary Charles P. Imperial Mariel San Joaquin. Inyola Nino A. 𝗵𝗂𝗲𝗀𝗏𝗏 Nicole O. Israel Rosemary M. Javier Marinette Jose A. Jose Christian Dan C. Israel Joan.
Humaquio Renrose Nadine L. Labrador Nicole A. Lacson Felicity Flor C. Lagatic Angeline V. Lamar Luisa Lay A. Lanuza Karen Claire A. Laurel Nadezda May C. Laurenciano Angela Ann P. Lilio Lian P. Lizardo Shaniel P. Liadones Stephanie Kate B. Lieva Kyla May T. Leona Trisha May A. Llorente Jean L. Logok Francis Raymond M. Lopez Juveline B. Lopez Rochelle N. Lorio Patrick O. Luzares Angela May P. Luzares Carlo B. Lumbis Lugeline Madriaga Kevin S. Maestrado Angelica B. Malaluan Jillian D. Malake Veronica V. Mangampo Junel B. Manlangit Gisame A. Manugi Juvian Q. Maranyo Mary Jane M. Maravilla Aaron Renz S. Marcaida Janeth E. Marco Eunice S. Marco Sheila May M. Mariano Barre Ingle P. Mariano Sandrolin Marie V. Marigondon Gerald B. Mariket Angelo P. Menya Princess Angel D. Mendoza Isalea San Andres. Mendoza Joseph B. Mendoza Reina A. Miday Roslyn B. Milia Sarah Jane M. Miliare Julius P. Montero Jessamay B. Moquera Monica D. Morandarte Luigi I. Murillo May B. Morsha Junior Loreto T. Morsha Janine T. Mooring Krisha RB Lian Z. Mustafa Jamela O. Mutok Justin Carl S. Naparam Jinrose E. Nazareth Roa May O. Nazol Janelle Lynn D. Neo April Honeylu A. Nidea Janeline M. Norieste Micaela P. Norioste Derek F. Norte Kimberly A. Nueva Jinky E. Obal Fatima D. Jesus. Obia Sarah Jean S. Ocampina Princess May B. Oco Ryan Mark C. Olikino Queen Burley. Olitukuyit Jake N. Olitukuyit Jake N. Olitukuyit Mary France U. Oliva Kyle Lawrence P. Onoya Nika Shaina Joy B. Onkit Donna Marie L. Obenia Bea Nicole C. Okialda Maridal P. Oro Shilalin. Orozco Jenny Ann G. Ortega Mary Angelica S. Ortega Nicaviv P. Otero Kyle Jason R. Pacamara Polberto Jr. A. Pasis Maria Cecilia E. Padayaw Sarah May M. Padilla Cherise B. Padilla Rica D. Pado Rosario Bianca B. Padua Ina. Paglinawan Junior Jaime C. Pajarillo Julina R. Palayar Elijah May C. Palibino Sofia C. Paloyo Carmela Marie T. Pamplona Keziah C. Pana Cheryl B. Pangilinan Robinjan P. Panolino Hazel Veronica I. Pante John Andrew P. Pante Rebecca R. Pantoja Teresa N. Paraiso Yasmin L. Paro Alesa Ashley C. Paunil Via F. Peconcilio Karin A. Pelaez Micaela C. Pempe Abigail de los Reyes. Pempe Christine Jane D. Peñaflor Maria Millet Z. Peña Redondo May A. Pipito Jelwin John L. Peralta Janine Anna Marie A. Perez Generose B. Perez Mardeline S. Perlado Jamaica J. Permelona Catherine B. Perua Riza May M. Piania Miko Grace H. Plantado Alodia Jubel V. Plata Juliana S. Plata Nico L. Lupenio Grace Ann A. Porto Marjorie G. Priala John Kenneth S. Prila Miles Allen P. Purissima Kyla May P. Kidor Fiona L. Quinones Kimberly V. Quinones Mylene A. Kyom Julius D. Ragamat Krisa Joyce B. Ramirez Geraldine B. Ramirez Zyraline B. Ranara Zyraline C. Rangaso Maria Danica B. Rapirap Charles Kent G. Raposa Maria Glyza G. Rakitico Renaline A. Rariza Clyde Manuel B. Rayos Ron Tessa S. Rizal Maria Arabella. Riabad K.F. Ribadavia Rochelle R. Ricania Joyce G. Ridulia Ira B. Regidor Jasmine A. Rigondola Jenny May A. Renta Karen A. Renta Warren P. Revilla Jr. Eduardo T. Rimando Ana Softina G. Ringanate K. Ashley N. Rivera Eric E. Rivero Nicole Ashley A. Rodavia Ella Joy A. Rodriguez Jan Marini S. Rodriguez Leanne Andre C. Rodriguez Olan de la Peña. Roman Rachel San Juan. Romanilius Miriam P. Rungap Kithley Shane O. Rosales Joanna A. Russell Rubin H. Rojas Laika B. Royales Christine Joyce D. Royales Lorea G. Ruiz Sofia Marie C. Saavedra Norilyn Grace B. Sabas Sarah B. Sabenia Jalamay F. Sakulo Juliana Aubrey C. Salian Jennifer Marie D. Salian Joshua B. Saludes Leah Joyce S. Salvino Carla Marie R. Samarista Jackie Lou A. Samosa Janice A. San Agustin Fiona S. San Agustin Princess Jewel C. San Buenaventura Froilan Jude M. San Felipe Joshua V. San Jose Caitlin Rain. San Jose Maria Clarice P. San Juan Kyla V. San Manuel Leica San Jose. San Miguel Jessica B. Santiago Josie C. Sakido Joanna Rose S. Saraspe Liza R. Sarcon Joanna Pauline. Sarmiento Jesha C. Cibolo Helena May P. Shara Stephen B. Ciso Joyza Amar S. Gioza. Santa Ana Catherine Sheena S. Sumayaw Zomar G. Sumulat Angelo C. Supenya Crisel J. Tablate Angel Dayan F. Tapar Jessica R. Tayas K. M. Tereliano Cyril Sandy B. Tives Jean C. Tumines Angela B. Tumpang Maria Louis D. Tonyo Giselle S. Toralde Jerome R. Traya Ashley C. Trinidad John R. Trinidad Princess A. Trinidad Romela D. Tuan Joanna D. Tubig Cherry Eileen R. Tubig Cheska Hannah. Tunay Reina F. Toy Janine A. Tuyo Aina Jane A. Valdez Margaret B. Valencia Angel Shanice D. Valencia Hannah Marie D. Valenzuela Maria Crisel A. Valenzuela Sarah Rose S. Vargas Beatriz Vicenta Francesca N. Vargas Camille O. Vargas Jonalyn O. Velasco Aubrey Joyce M. Velasco Janelle E. Ventrosa Lani O. Verzosa Jonathan N. Vibal Mary Franz D. Vibal Melody E. Victor Kimberly de los Santos. Villa Gonzalo Nicole A. Villanueva Rosemary A. Villar Jed Alwin B. Villarreal Hannah May A. Villarreal Harvey D. Villarreal Ilamay V. Villarreal Shane C. 𝗣𝗂𝗻𝗄𝗀 Jerica Ann, Villaseñor Stimson Jr. Ann, Viola Angela O, Visaya Alizon Rain C, Vivero Renalyn A, Volante Nicole Ann G, Juarez Cassandra Jane C, Egusquiza Vaughn Daphne R, Zamudio Ruby Grace A, and finally Zapanta Sheila May A. That is all for the CETA department. Thank you.
Congratulations once again to all our standing students from the College of Business Management and the College of Teacher Education. You have made your colleges proud and you are shining examples to your fellow students. A round of applause, please. And now, to keep this celebration lively and engaging, here's an intermission number brought to us by our seated student and an awardee as well. Please welcome Mr. Aljon Briola.
It's been a long and winding journey, but I'm finally here tonight. I'm picking up the pieces and walking back into the light, into the sunset of your glory, where my heart and future lies. There's nothing like that feeling when I look into your eyes. My dreams came true when I found you. I found you, my miracle. If you could see what I see, that you're the answer to my prayers. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear that angels brought me. Standing here before you, feels like I've been born again. Every breath is your love, every heartbeat speaks your name. My dreams came true right here in front of you, my miracle. If you could see what I see, that you're the answer to my prayers. And if you can feel the tenderness and it would be clear that angels brought me here.
Thank you very much and congratulations to the awardees.
Thank you, Alden, for that heartwarming and refreshing performance. That was a beautiful reminder of so many gifts our students possess. Okay, and now let us hear from our very own, a student who shares the pride and gratitude of all our awardees. Please welcome a seated awardee, Mr. John Lee Asuro.
We live in a world defined by constant evolution, where we continuously move towards progress and development. Take a moment and contemplate how vast the changes have been in the story of humanity, from the beginning of the agricultural period to the endless transformation of digital communication age. Many things and changes have happened, and humanity is consistently adapting to these changes. Before I continue my speech, I would like to acknowledge our very own guest speaker, Ms. Iris I. Oresca, to our President, Dr. Mario C. Villanueva, to our Executive Vice President, Dr. Ida P. Osea, to our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, to the Head Registrar, Rhea V. Agregado, to the Dean of College of Teacher Education, Dr. Onward O. Ognita, to the Deans of other colleges, to the Program Chairs, to the teaching and non-teaching personnel, guests, to our beloved families and guardians, classmates, friends and colleagues, a pleasant morning to all of you. Today, we are here showing the testament of our dedication, perseverance, and the continued pursuit of excellence. We gather here as we celebrate and appreciate the efforts and the hard work that we have given during the school year 2023 to 2024. To continue my speech, I want to highlight the phrase, "changing the game" from our theme. This phrase is more than just making small steps of relatively small changes. It speaks to a significant shift, a new way of approaching things that alters the landscape entirely. Consider, for example, the invention of the printing press. It did not just make the writing faster, but it democratized knowledge and reshaped society. This single innovation of Johannes Gutenberg revolutionized the destination of knowledge and literacy across Europe. Another thing is the innovation of the telescope of Galileo Galilei, where it helps in changing the perspective of humanity and changing the norms that are abundant in the society. Furthermore, through those innovations, it can significantly give a huge impact not only to ourselves, but also to the whole society. It requires courage for this kind of transformative thinking. It takes the bravery to venture into the unknown, to risk failure in the pursuit of a great idea. It necessitates vision, the ability to look beyond the present constraints and imagine a future molded by your unique insights. And also, it calls for resilience, where the unwavering spirit to learn from setbacks, to adopt, and to persist when the path ahead is uncertain. And that is precisely what each and every one of you has already begun to do. By earning a place on the President's or Dean's list, we have not merely excelled in academics, but we have demonstrated the capacity to inspire others, to strive for more, and be a model of excellence. We have shown that rigorous study, hunger for knowledge, and an unwavering commitment to our aspirations can lead to extraordinary outcomes. Standing here today brings back memories of my early days. I recall the initial nervousness of navigating a new academic environment, the moments of wrestling with challenging ideas, where understanding felt just out of reach. There were challenges that arise during those years, especially in academics. But it was through the guidance of supportive educators and the camaraderie I found with my classmates that I learned to approach those difficulties with different mindset. And that personal shift, the realization that obstacles could be overcome with persistence and the right approach, mirrors the broader concept of changing the game. The understanding that transformative progress often begins with a fundamental change in how we tackle challenges. My journey to this moment has been marked by countless hours of focused effort and a deep personal commitment to learning. I remember the quiet satisfaction of finally grasping complex ideas in my major subjects after tireless study, the sense of accomplishment in overcoming academic challenges. There were times when self-doubt crept in, but an inner conviction about the power of education and the personal drive to excel kept me moving forward. This personal experience has taught me that significant achievements are not solely about innate talent, but it is about the dedication to continuous growth and the unwavering pursuit of excellence. It's this same spirit of striving, this personal commitment to pushing boundaries and changing the game within our academic journeys that I recognize and deeply admire with my fellow presidents and dean's listers. Speaking personally, standing here today, representing this exceptional group is an honor beyond words. I see in your eyes the same fire that burned within me during countless late-night study sessions, the same determination that pushed us through challenging concepts, and the same unwavering belief in our potential. Our achievements are not only victories. They are a collective testament to the supportive environment fostered by our institution, the guidance of our dedicated faculty, and the unwavering encouragement of our families and friends. The remarkable students we recognize today have already demonstrated this game-changing potential within our academic pursuits. We have not been content with simply absorbing information. We have engaged with it critically, dissected it thoughtfully, and synthesized it in new and insightful ways. In the academic realm, we have shown what it means to approach learning with a positive and fresh perspective and a drive to excel beyond the expected. I want to remind all the presidents and dean's listers that your academic brilliance is not merely a reflection of your hard work, but rather it is a powerful indicator of your capacity to be a true agent of change. Embrace the spirit of innovation that has defined your academic journey. Continue to question, to explore, to challenge assumptions, and to create something with passion and purpose. So as we embark on the next chapter of our journeys, let us carry the spirit of changing the game within us. Let us embrace challenges not as a hindrance in our success, but as opportunities to innovate and to lead with courage and conviction. Let our passion fuel our endeavors, our knowledge guide our actions, and our integrity define our impact. My fellow awardees, listen. We are not waiting to be the future leaders. We are the present innovators. the emerging visionaries, the individuals poised to redefine the game. Let us not shy away from the challenges ahead, but embrace them as rich opportunities for our creativity. Let our purpose be our compass, our passion as our fuel, and have an unwavering commitment as we step forward to make a tangible and meaningful difference in the community. Lastly, as I stand here today, filled with immense gratitude, I must acknowledge the strong foundation of my success. To my dearest parents and brothers, your constant encouragement and the absolute commitment you've shown towards my academic pursuits have been my strong foundation. Your belief in me has fueled my determination, and for that, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to give my sincerest gratitude to all of you. Now, I would like to request my fellow awardees to please stand up. And let us give a warm round of applause for our beloved parents, guardians, and especially to those working students who have made countless sacrifices to support and realize our dreams. Thank you. You may now settle down. They are the silent heroes behind our achievements, the guiding lights who have illuminated our path into success, and the unwavering pillars upon whom we have leaned on. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much. Congratulations to each and every one of us, Padayon and Cianos.
Thank you for that empowering message, Mr. Asuro. We deeply appreciate your message, and it truly reflects the voice of every awardee here today, proud, inspired, and ready for more. As we come to the end of this celebration, we invite a leader who has worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this event possible. Please welcome Ms. Lawrence Aster B. Pelerera for her closing remarks. Let's give a big round of applause.
As we reach the end of this celebration, I would like to offer my congratulations to all our President's Listers and Dean's Listers. This year's theme, Changing the Game for a Sustainable Tomorrow, invites us to look beyond grades. You are more than classroom game changers. You are tomorrow's professionals and champions who will contribute to making the world just and sustainable. We are grateful to the parents and guardians for being the strong and silent backs of these achievers. Your role has been indispensable in nurturing their success. We also extend our heartfelt gratitude to our guest speaker. Thank you for flying back to the home of the champions to inspire. Also, gratitude to all the persons who worked behind the scenes. And to our beloved students, wear this honor with pride, but also humility and duty. Keep pushing the limits, keep changing the game, and never cease striving for a tomorrow that is not only successful, but champion and sustainable. Maraming salamat and congratulations once again to everyone.
promise of a brighter future. This is your host, Carla Balbinj. Keeps saying, keep reaching, keep shining, and keep changing the game. Okay, we're not yet done po. We'll have a photo op. Let's capture this milestone. So we'll have a photo op together with our respected leaders. Unahin po na muna na